I'm a father, right? My daughter does not eat philosophy. So I can't philosophize my way out of paying school fees. I can't philosophize my way out of buying food. So meaning as a man, there are two things. I must have money and I must have meaning. So the money part, it's important because then it's tied to provision. Even if I say I've got a vision, that vision needs to be provided for. So which makes it important for me to say, in my endeavors as a business person in finding this meaning, it must be tied to making a profit, because then that profit allows me to make a difference first in my family, then in society. So that's why I said it's difficult to just say the money aspect is not important, because I know so many people, including men that are serving God in so many ways, right? You're doing impactful work out there, but your children are starving. That for me, it shouldn't make sense.
It's not success.
It shouldn't be success, because success goes with being able to provide.